everybody, welcome back to the craft room. I know everything looks the same. Well, hold on. Alright, I know everything looks the same as it did in yesterday's video, but this is just a quick little non-yarny update on my apartment gardening. If you're interested in that, if not, just go ahead and click off and check back with me probably Sunday night or Monday for a yarny video. But anyway, Friday, March 5th. And like I said, a quick update on my gardening. If you remember, or if you read my blog post, that post is already up. You can go get just a review of that. Or if you want to read more information, you can go check out my blog. The link is down in the description below. Not going into a whole lot of detail here, because I know most of you come here for yarny related things. But I'm trying to document this whole process because it's new to me. But anyway, last week, I believe I posted here, if not, it's definitely on my blog, that I finally got my vegetables, which I have some romaine stalks that kitchen scraps that I am trying to grow. And I also have some Vidalia sweet onion. I've got the top, which had already started growing, and then I've got the bottom roots, which the roots are longer and it is starting to grow. But anyway, last week I went and bought some liquid fertilizer. It's not the nutrients, numbers, pH levels or something like that. It's not the numbers that I actually was wanting, but it was the only thing that I could get here locally without having to order something online. And last week I also put my vegetables, they're not in direct sun, but they're getting some indirect sunlight. I put them up near a window and it did warm up. So 3 things positive for my vegetables. Here is a sneak peek at my lettuce. With my lettuce, I did change it was pretty much out of water when I changed this. I actually did this on Wednesday, which would have been the 3rd. It was pretty much completely out of water, and the little bit of water that was in there had a green tint to it, which seems to be pretty much normal because that's the way it was doing before I got the plant food or liquid fertilizer. Just using the tap water, it still had that kind of a green tint to it. So like I said, no water in it. So I cleaned the container out and I put some more fertilizer water in there and I put it back in the indirect sunlight where it can get some more sunlight. Now the onions, I don't think it's the right environment for them because the water looks kind of stagnant and gross. It doesn't appear, well, the bottom half with the roots, there is actually green growing, but the top, it almost appeared that the green that was growing down from it has started to turn brown or gray color, and it had a very slight rotten smell. So I don't know if it was the fertilizer water or if it was the actual plant. I will give it another week and see what happens with that. Maybe it'll get better. Maybe it's just the completely wrong environment or completely wrong nutrients for growing that type. And if you're not familiar with what I'm doing, it's not really hydroponics. It kind of is, but hydroponics is, from what I understand, is aerated water or fertilizer water. What I am doing is more the Kratky method, which is just a container of water that you put your plant in and you grow it. So anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you right back here in the craft room for my next video.